set any case to close and high priority, and you need to wait for a few seconds and then refresh the record. So once now you scroll it in the task related list, and you'll see something brand new task created automatically with the subject called as follow up on closed high priority case. Okay, so here the task owner will be the same as the case owner, and if you have added here, if you have added any email alert, the owner should get the email alert, but we have not added anything, right? So we email will be not coming for us. So once if you see that if you see the brand new task has follow up on close high priority keys, then that means your auto launch flow is working exactly as expected. As it might take some time for us to show, so that's why it's taking for us some time to show the output results. Okay, I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you.